How to add a transition in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and then you can select any of the projects that you want to add for further transitions to be added. Project, what you need to do is you can just see the video. Now this is one single video. Now to add a transition, you need to have two videos over here so that you can transit. So you can split the video wherever you want to so that you can add any sort of transition. So here I'm going to select this place over here and then tap on edit at the bottom, then tap on split, and here you can see the split option. So after splitting it, you can see the lines over here. So just tap on this line and here you'll be able to see different transitions. So just look out for any of the transitions that you want to add onto your project. So if I want to add into the different transitions over here, let's just add this white flash over here. After that, you can select the duration of the transition, then tap on the tick mark, and now you can just look at the transition over here, and there you go. You have successfully added transition in Capcut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.